Okay students, in previous class we discussed about hydrogen and its compounds. The chapter is over. Now we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is S block elements. That is S block elements. S block elements. It is a new chapter, chapter number 9, which carries 4 marks or 2 plus 2. 4 marks or 2 plus 2. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about S block elements. About S block elements. First of all, you know what are S block elements. The differentiating electron enters into S orbital are called S block elements. The differentiating electron enters into S orbital are called S block elements. Okay. In S orbital we can accommodate 2 electrons. So S block containing only 2 groups, first A and second A. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. Why? Because oxides of these alkali metals, oxides of alkaline earth metals dissolved in water, which gives a strong alkalis. Alkalis means bases. That's why these are called alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. So second A group elements are available in the form of in earth crust, in the form of oxides available in earth crust. That's why these are alkaline earth metals. Okay. See here, in S block elements, in S block 2 groups are present. 2 groups are present. Maximum 2 electrons we can accommodate. We can accommodate in S orbital. Maximum 2 electrons we can accommodate in S orbital. Okay. First A group elements. First A group elements are alkali metals. First A group elements are alkali metals. First A group elements are alkali metals. Second A group elements are alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Okay. Why these are called alkali metals means oxides of these elements dissolved in water produces strong alkalis. strong alkalis. Okay, Alkali means alkalis means bases. Alkalis means bases. Oxides of these elements dissolved in water produces a strong alkalis. Okay. Now first A group elements we are going to discuss. First A group elements. Okay. First A group elements. What are first A group elements? We are going to what are first A group elements means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium are first A group elements. Okay, see here. So these are called already alkali metals. So what are first A group elements means we are going to discuss. See here, first one, serial number, name of atom, atomic number, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Okay, so this is briefly about serial number and serial number 1. Name of the atom lithium. Name of the atom lithium. Atomic number atomic number 3. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. Okay, in the place of 1s2 we are writing helium. Okay, 2s1 like this. So this is valency shell electronic configuration. Valency shell electronic configuration. Next, second one, lithium. After that, sodium. Its symbol is Na. Its atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration neon 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. Okay, next, third one, lithium, sodium, potassium, symbol K. So here atomic number 19. Atomic number 19. Its electronic configuration argon 4s1. Argon 4s1. Next, fourth one, rubidium. Rubidium. Okay, symbol Rb. Atomic number 37. So here we may write electronic configuration krypton 5s1. Next, fifth one, cesium. Cesium. Cesium, symbol Cs. Okay, so here cesium, atomic number 55. So this is a krypton, xenon 6s1. Then sixth one, cesium, francium. Okay, francium means Fr 87. So this is radon 7s1. Okay, if you observe, so this is the valence shell electronic configuration. This is the valence shell electronic configuration. Means if you see, see here what happened. Lithium 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1, 7s1 means, so valency general electronic configuration of first A group elements is EnS1. General electronic configuration of first A group elements is, see here, general electronic configuration of first A is EnS1. Okay, only one electron in their valency shell, one electron in their valency shell, so they may lose. So after losing one electron, trying to get inert gas electronic configuration, so oxidation state of all first A group elements is always +1. So here EnS1, only one electron, so always these elements try to lose one electron and they may get inert gas electronic configuration. So these are most electropositive elements, most electropositive elements. Okay, oxidation state. Oxidation state of first A group is +1. Oxidation state of first A group is +1. These are most electropositive elements. Okay, see here, atomic size. Here what happened, see here, atomic size or ionic size. Atomic size or ionic size. So here decreases, increases from top to bottom. Okay, see here, atomic size or ionic size increases from top to bottom. Okay, next you have to know ionization enthalpies. Ionization enthalpies decreases from top to bottom. Okay, next you have to know melting points and boiling points. melting points or boiling points. Okay, decreases from top to bottom. Okay, melting points, boiling points decreases from top to bottom. See here, melting points, ionization enthalpies, atomic size and ionic size. Okay, what happens? Decreases from top to bottom. Okay, next hydration enthalpies. Hydration enthalpies. Okay, hydration enthalpies also decreases from top to bottom. Okay, hydration enthalpies also decreases. Hydration enthalpies also decreases from top to bottom. For example, Li plus is greater than Na plus is greater than potassium plus is greater than rubidium plus is greater than cesium plus is greater than francium. Francium is a radioactive element. Okay, so here francium is a radioactive element. The half-life period is 21 minutes only. Francium is radioactive element. You know radioactive element which nucleus of the atom is not stable. They are nothing but a radioactive elements. So here it is a hydration enthalpies. Next you have to know here abundance. Sodium potassium is more. Next see rubidium cesium. Lithium rubidium cesium are less abundance. Okay, next you have to know abundance. Okay, sodium potassium are more abundant. Okay, sodium potassium are more abundant, and lithium rubidium cesium are less abundant. Lithium, next rubidium and cesium are less abundant. Francium is radioactive element. Francium is radioactive element. Okay, half-life period is 21 minutes only. Half-life period is 21 minutes only. See here, half-life period is 21 minutes. Okay, So this is the information about first A group elements. This is the information about first A group elements. Understand? See here, S block, 2 groups are present. So we can accommodate maximum 2 electrons in S orbital. In first A group elements are alkali metals. So second A group are alkaline earth metals. Oxides of these elements dissolved in water produces strong alkalis. Alkalis means bases. So first A group elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So if you take electronic configuration, this is nothing but a condensed electronic configuration. By using inert gases, we may write, so electron configuration writing is very lengthy. That's why we are condensing electron configuration like this. This is nothing but a condensed electron configuration of first A group elements. So general electronic configuration of first A is what? NS1. So these are most electropositive elements, only 1 electron extra. So for after losing that electron, they may get inert gas electronic configuration. So these elements get inert gas electronic configuration. That's why. So oxidation state of first A group elements is always +1. So atomic size, ionization enthalpy, melting boiling points, hydration enthalpy, abundance. These are the some properties of first A group elements. Atomic size decreases. So here 3, 11, 19, 35, 55, 87 means decreases. So atomic size or ionic size, whatever it may be, decreases. See here, example, lithium plus is a atomic size increases. Atomic size increases means lithium plus is less than, sodium plus is less than, potassium plus is less than, okay, is less than. Next, rubidium plus is less than, then cesium plus, like this. So ionization enthalpies, what happened? Decreases. Why? Because size increases na, so ionization enthalpies decreases. Example, see, lithium plus is what happened? Greater than, sodium plus is greater than, potassium plus is greater than, so rubidium plus is greater than, cesium plus. So melting boiling points, so melting boiling points decreases. So which having more melting points? So lithium, sodium having more melting points. After that, melting point will be decreases. This is briefly about S block elements. So tomorrow we will discuss some physical properties and chemical properties of these elements.